everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we is getting this, well, we back to the colorful looks, okay? I wanted to do something colorful, but I think it was my hair that was doing it for me, but I hadn't washed it now, back in the ponytail, you know, as much as, anyways, besides all that, that's not the point, okay? But I finally got something colorful, and it took me a good 2 hours to get this, yeah. Like, at first I was going to do blue and green. The colors didn't want to blend. Took that off. And I did green and pink. Terrible idea, because green and pink does not blend together. Why? I don't know, but it won't blend. So I took that off and finally got this. But you know, it's cool because we're done. Okay? Filmed it, real cute. I'm happy with it. I don't like the one of my eyes more pigmented than the other. But you know, we just gonna ignore that. But yeah, that's all we're going to look. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and comment and share and like. Hit the notification button, you know. Yeah. Now we'll get into this look, and I'm going to take some selfies and go to bed because it's like 12 o'clock. Okay, so going to my favorite palette. You see I'm hitting pan on almost every color, right? Like, BPerfect, you just need to go ahead and send me another palette. Seriously. But besides the point. So the first color we're going to is Wasted. And it's actually going to be my crease color. But since I have problems blending purple, we're going to work backwards. Okay. And I'm snacking because I'm hungry. And it's 10 o'clock at night. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so a tap dash right in the crease. And all the brushes I'm using, these marble brushes, I got them from Amazon. It was from a set. And they really good. Like, they blend very well. I didn't think they were going to. I just got it because it was cute, but it actually did work, so. Okay, so next we'll take Lit, which is the orange color. I cannot eat hot Cheetos anymore. The older I get, I just can't deal with it. I can have fries with hot Cheetos. It's like they're getting hot. Okay. And I'm just tapping the orange over the purple. And I don't know why this orange always comes out like a peach tangerine color. Okay, so next we're going into Fashion Killer Cosmetics Fun in Paradise palette. I'm going to take that orange color at the bottom. It's like a very light orange. Okay, I'm just taking it and blending it into that orange. So this is basically like the transition color almost. Okay, and I'm also going to take some hot pink, which is called a Funky. I guess that fits it. I don't know. Huh? And I'm going to kind of put it somewhere between this purple and the orange. Yeah, like I don't even know how I got this. It just kind of happened, so just work with me, okay? Okay, so I cut my crease with the Colourpop concealer in the shade Fair 00. And now what I want to do is work my way that way towards my lid, basically with all the same colors. Yeah. Okay, so with this orange, I'm gonna take it and kind of put it at an angle. Well, yeah, it's gonna be at an angle. I tried to anyway. Okay, so for the rest of the lid, I am going to take the Inglot number 94, put it on top of the concealer. And then I'm going to take the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. This one is Armed and Dangerous. No, Armed and Gorgeous. And I'm going to take the white shimmer, which is VIP, and put that on top of it. Okay, so I haven't did this in a while, but I'm gonna take my next black liner to a wing, and then I'm gonna take the Nyx Vivid Brights liner, and it's in the color Vivid Escape. I'm putting it on top of the black. I used to do this all the time, and then I stopped. I don't know why, but we had to bring it back today. Okay, I'm back at work. And then I want to take the LA Girl primer stick. It's in the color white. I think it should be the name of it. Okay, so I am taking the Couture highlighter in Gold Digger. Okay, and as usual, I don't know what I'm about to do to my lips, so whatever you guys see, it'll be in the description box because I don't know what I'm about to do right now.